What is the unit of universal gravity constant? So the solution or the derivation of this will be very simple. This is a class 9-10 standard topic. So from the Newton's law of gravitation, we get the equation. We get the following equation. As we know this equation, we all know this. So F means the force equals gravity constant m into m1 into m2 by r square. This is the equation of the Newton's law of gravity. So here G is the universal gravity constant. So the universal gravity constant is always constant in the universe. If we used to measure the Earth's gravity, then the G is same, and the Mars gravity, the G is same. G will be always constant. So from this equation we can derive this equation to another equation. Let's see. F equals gm1 into m2. Sorry, it will be F equals gm1 into m2 by r square. Yeah, by r square. From there we can derive it to G equals F into r2 by m1 into m2. Okay, very simple derivation. So then if we take the SI units of the of this, then we get the following. F equals Newton. F is force, that's why the SI unit is Newton, the symbol is N, and R is the distance between them, the SI unit is meter and the symbol is M, and M1 and M2 are the masses, that's why the SI unit is kilogram or kg as symbol. Okay, so now now putting the units on the place of variables. Very simple. We will just put Newton in the place of m, meter in the place of r. Very simple. So G equals nm square. G equals nm square by kilogram square. So this is the SI unit of gravity constant. Very easy. Therefore SI unit of universal gravity constant is Newton meter square per kg square. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, you can like it, and if I made any mistake, then you can comment the mistake so that I can improve myself. So thank you for watching. Bye.